everyone, I'm Shreya. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be creating this look. This is a simple natural makeup look using all the affordable products. You can simply wear this look at work or in college, or you can create this look for your work from home video calls using all the affordable products. I have created this look using only 6 products which are easily available in the market. The products have been mentioned in the description box. So let's get started. So after prepping my skin, I am applying a sunscreen from Kiehl's. This sunscreen comes with a high brand spectrum SPF 50 to protect your skin from harmful UVA and UVB rays. This is a cream-based sunscreen with a mattifying formula which won't leave your skin look shiny, greasy or patchy. And yes, it is very light and non-sticky. Next, for cancelling out my pigmentation under my eyes, I am using the concealer from the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige. Applying it in the dotted form all over my under eye area. Now I am blending it with a wet beauty blender in the dab dab form. Next I am using the L'Oreal Paris Brow Artist Kit in the shade medium to dark. I'm gonna shape the brows by outlining it with a dark brown shade. Now coloring the hair strokes with a medium brown shade and styling it with a spoolie. Repeating the same steps in the other brow as well. Now for giving my brows a neat look, I am using the LA Girl Pro Conceal Pure Beige shade concealer which I've used earlier. Just outlining the brow area, giving it the required shape. Blending the concealer with a wet beauty blender. Repeating the same steps for the other brow as well. Next, I am using a Kajal from Kiko in the shade 12 Wood, outlining the outer corner of the upper lash line. Now applying it over the outer corner of the lower lash line and blending it using the provided applicator with the Kajal. You can also use a pencil blending brush or any other blending brush for a proper blending. I'm not using any eyeshadow palette in this tutorial, just simply using a Kajal. You can use the Kajal of any brand and create this look. Next I'm going to tightline my upper lash line with the same Kajal. For giving my lashes a lift, I'm using an eyelash curler. Now using Maybelline New York, the Colossol Volume Express Mascara in the shade Washable Black. One thing to be kept in mind whenever we apply a mascara is to lift all the lashes in and out with the mascara wand. This will instantly give my lashes a lifted look. For setting up the base, I'm using the Lakme Absolute Matte Real Skin Natural Mousse in the shade Ivory Fair. Applying it in the dotted form and now blending it with a wet beauty blender. For contouring my face, I'm using the Maybelline New York Face Studio Master Contour Palette in the shade Light to Medium. Contouring basically defines and sculpts the structure of the face. Contouring my cheeks just till the start of my brows. Now contouring my jawline for getting a chiseled look. I'm having a broad forehead, so I'm contouring my forehead too. Doing it on my nose for giving it a sharp look. For blush, I'm using a pink shade from the same palette. Now for highlighting the high points of my face, I'm using the same palette. High points are the spots on your face where the light would naturally hit, like the top of your cheekbones, your brow bones, cupid's bow, and down the bridge of the nose. For lipstick, I'm using Daily Life Forever 52 Velvet Matte Lipstick in the shade FT022. For lightening the shade, I'm using some loose powder over my lips. Now here's the final look. Ready for going out for work, college, or virtual business meetings. Thank you for watching. Do share your views about this look in the comment section. Please hit like if you find this tutorial useful and please press the bell icon.